Good morning children, how are you all? I hope you all are fit and fine. Welcome to online English class. Today we will learn about topic conjunctions, chapter 23. Let's start.
I can join anything in the world, says Super Balu. Can you join this? Asks Gul. There you go. Can you join this? There you go. Let me see you join these words. Oh look, he has joined the words. How did you do that? I used my conjunction power, says Super Balu.
Conjunctions. What are conjunctions? Let us understand with few examples. Now let us read them one by one. The dog is a faithful and intelligent animal. I want to go to play, but I am sick. Is it Thursday or Friday today? Annie gets up early because she goes to bed early. If you work hard, you will succeed in life. The words and, but, or, because, and if are conjunctions or connecting words. So, what is a conjunction? Conjunctions are joining words. They are used to join two or more words or sentences. Let us understand with few examples. For example, apples and oranges are very healthy. I like singing but not dancing. I will watch a film or read a book today at home. Let's have more examples of conjunctions. Sam walked quickly but quietly. He looked on the cliff and near the shore. He did not see any cartoon or movie in his life because there was no TV at his home. Now, children, let's make it easy. First, let us understand how we use conjunctions. For example, see the sentence, Crow has an apple, and another one, Crow has an orange. So we are using here and. Now the sentence will become, Crow has an apple and an orange. See, Crow has an apple and an orange. So here and is joining both the sentences. Correct? Let's have a look on more examples of it. Jojo can go to the circus. Jojo can go to the astrologer. So here again we need a conjunction. Yes, or. So now the sentence will become Jojo can go to the circus or to the astrologer. See? Now let's have one more example. Third is big. Kitty is small. Now again we'll join the sentence by using a conjunction here. But. Now sentence becomes third is big but Kitty is small. Okay children, now let us understand why we use conjunctions. Here we go. First we have and. Now children, do you know we use and to join sentences when the meaning has some relation. For example, the dog scratched and panted. The mother bear carried her baby and briefcase. Now we have another use of and. Also we use and to join list of words. Means when we have words more than one or two, we use and there. Okay. See the examples. I like to play cricket, football and basketball. See. Then we have my mother ordered chocolates, pizza and burger for us. Now here children, cricket, football, basketball, three things, and we are separating it by using comma and. You all already know the use of comma, right? Then in the second sentence, same chocolates, pizza, burger, and we are separating it with the help of comma and. Okay. Now let's move on to the next conjunction, but. Okay children, we use but to join sentences when one sentence says something and the other just the opposite. Okay, means in contrast. For example, I was planning to play football but I switched to badminton. He was going outside but I stopped him. Next, our dad checked the grill but forgot to check the oven. Now here children, you can see this but is in contrast with the first statement. See, I was planning to play football but I switched to badminton. See, the contrast is given here. Then he was going outside but earlier he was going outside but I stopped him. Right? So it is totally opposite. Now in the same way, our dad checked the grill but forgot to check the oven. Means it is not in the same manner, means in the same relation, it is in opposite. Okay, so next we have or. We use or to join sentences and words to show that only one choice is available. Means when we have option or we have choices, we use or. For example, we can eat pizza or burger. Now here we have choice between pizza and burger. Then you want to play or watch cartoons. Means either to play or to watch cartoons, you have a choice. Parrots live in wild places or in zoos. Clear? Now next we have because. Now children, we use because to answer the question why or to give a reason. Means when we have to provide a reason, we use because after that statement. Let us understand with examples. I got wet because I forgot my umbrella. See, I got wet. Why? Because I forgot my umbrella. We were late. Why we were late? Because our bus had a flat tire. So children, flat tire, you know, when tire got punctured. Okay. Then we have I went to see him. Why? Because he was unwell. Okay. So here we are getting the answer of the question why, and or you can say we are getting a reason. Now let us revise the conjunctions. It connects words or groups of words or short sentences. We use or to show a choice between two or more options. For example, what would you prefer, an ice cream or a chocolate? Here we have choice between ice cream and chocolate. Next, we use and to combine similar ideas or to add information. See the example. This Friday is a holiday and I would like to go to the fair. Now see, I would like to go to the fair is added information. Next, we use but to show a difference or an opposite idea. Let's see the example. Rohan plays well, but he is an impatient player. Now see, opposite idea between plays well and impatient player. Next we have because. We use because to explain the cause or reason of something. Now let's see the example. Nishi was happy because she won the painting contest. See the reason? Okay children, so now let's practice for whatever we have done so far. So it's the practice time now. Okay, what you have to do is, you have to join the sentences using suitable conjunctions. Now, you'll get few sentences, go through them. Let us read out. I have got a brother. I have got a sister. Next, would you like meat for lunch? Would you like vegetables for lunch? My father likes football. He doesn't like basketball. We are not going to the bank. The bank is closed. Okay. Now, I hope you know where we have to use which conjunctions, right? Okay, so let's not waste time. Let's match your answers with my answers. Okay, children, let's go. Here are the answers. First, I have got a brother and a sister. See, it was of same opinion, of same relation sentence. That's why we have used here and. Next, would you like meat or vegetables for lunch? Because the choice was given, right? Next, my father likes football, but he doesn't like basketball. Why? See, likes and dislikes. So, opposite ideas. Next, we are not going to the bank because it is closed. Fine. So, these are the answers. If you have done correctly, it means you are clear with these four conjunctions. Now, children, let me tell you, there are more conjunctions. Let me give you a brief idea of those conjunctions as well. Let's start with both. Both is used to talk about two persons or things. Means when we have two persons or two things, when we talk about them, we use both. See the example. Both my father and mother are teachers. Correct? Now, next is though. It is used to show contrast ideas. See example. Though she speaks seldom, she says meaningful words. Now here seldom means less. Okay. So she speaks less, but she says meaningful words. Okay. So it is showing the contrast ideas. That's why we use though here. Though she speaks seldom, she says meaningful words. Next, until. Until is used to show a point of time. For example, we really needed rain until last night. When? Which time? Until last night. Okay. So after until, this is telling you the time, the point of time. Next, so. It shows results or purpose. See the example. I wanted to stay home, so I told my mom I was sick. See, this is the purpose. That's why we have used so here. Clear? Now let's have some other conjunctions. If. Now if is used to show a condition. Means whenever a condition is applied, we use if there. For example, he will lose his job if he doesn't change his attitude. Now after if, this is telling us the condition. Next, either or. To show one thing or person. Means when we use either or, we use either or when there is a choice, or you can say when we have to choose one, definitely we have to take one. Okay. So if for example you can see, I will either go for a walk or read a book. See. Okay, at last we have when. When is used at that time. So here example is, I was watching TV when she came in. I was watching TV. At what time? When she came in. So here it is clear that when she came in, I was watching TV at that time. Clear? With this, students, our conjunctions are done. Now, I'll give you a small practice just for a while, and don't worry, I'll tell you the answers also. Let's go with the practice of these conjunctions and try to understand how can we use them. Let's practice, children. Here you can see some conjunctions are given for your help: or, but, because, until, if, and, so, when. And you have to fill in the blanks with suitable conjunctions. From these you have to choose and you have to fill all these blanks. First, please clap dash, encourage our students. Next, I know Meera dash, I don't know her brother. I felt sick dash, I visited the doctor. You must study for the test dash, you will fail. We slept dash, our mom woke us up. I will help you dash, you lend me your car. I don't trust her. Dash, she always lies to me. Last, the tree fell. Dash, lightning struck it. Now children, as I was speaking the sentence, I know you got the answers. So let's match the answers. First, please clap and encourage our students. Next, I know Meera, but I don't know her brother. See? I felt sick, so I visited the doctor. Next, you must study for the test or you will fail. I hope you are understanding the use side by side. We slept until our mom woke us up. Next, I will help you if you lend me your car. See the condition? I don't trust her. Why? Because she always lies to me. And last, 8. The tree fell when lightning struck it. Okay children, so with this the exercise is over and I hope the conjunctions are clear to you. So fine, take care of yourself, do study well and have a great day. Thank you so much.